Hey, hi guys. Very good morning. Hello, guys. Am I audible? Yeah. Thanks, Shivani. Thanks, Surya Prakash.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Hi, Surya
Good morning.
Prakash. Hi, Subramaniam. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah, guys. So if you remember, in the last class we have seen some basic programs. I have explained what is a main method, how to call a static method, how to call a non-static method, right? And I started with the conditional statements. I solved some programs on basic if else, and if else if is pending. Okay, right? We are in that way. Okay. So yes, Shivani, I will tell you. I think you are not there in last two classes, right? Am I correct? Surya, you are there in the class one, right? I think. Surya,
Yesterday I was not available. Uh, on first day I was available.
and you said you have some doubts on DSC system design and all. Can you uh, did you call? Did you ping me? No, no, right? You haven't asked me, right? Like,
No. Actually, I was busy with another. I then forgot. Uh, to,
no issue. You can ping today, okay? You can ping now, okay?
yes,
Done.
yes, yes, yes.
So, guys, so Shivani is asking about the syllabus, the course content and syllabus about that, okay? You walk through that a bit. Shivani. So, Shivani, are you a core Java guy? Core Java? Sorry, are you a Python developer or a Java developer? Okay. See, these are the topics of Java, and these are the topics of Python, actually. Okay. But the problem is, Shivani, are you there? I can't see your. Yeah. Yes, Java. Okay, good, good, good. So basically, Shivani, the problem is if you see Java, if you know Core Java, Advanced Java, and Spring Boot and microservices, right? The thing is, in the interview, first 20 minutes, they will be coming up with some problem statement and they will ask you to solve that random problem statement or not. Am I correct? In the first 20 minutes, they will ask you to solve some problem statement. Am I correct? And if you are able to solve that program, okay, perfectly, or at least you are in line with that problem, then only the interviewer get will some will the interviewer will get some confidence, right? Am I correct? So that is the reason this course was introduced. Okay, this course is totally focused on problem solving only. Okay, using Core Java and Python. Okay, once the batch is finalized, if the people are from both Python and Java are there, we'll teach in both Python and Java the same program. Else, we'll teach in Java. Okay, right? See, Java backend developer, data engineer, data scientist, everyone requires that problem solving. Okay, so the course content is we start with method calling. Okay, how to call the methods, how to declare the methods, likewise, and how to call static method, how to call non-static method. Likewise, we'll speak and condition statements like if else, if and nested, and iteration statements for while and do while. Likewise, okay, and the programs on arrays, the programs on strings, the programs on collection framework like array list, hash pattern, hash map, the programs on list set in Python, okay, dictionary, okay, these three, and the programs on binary search and programs on sliding window. These two are at most important, Shivani. Okay, binary search and sliding window. Okay, and these were plays a major role in DSA also. Okay, and as most of the companies, you can 75% of the companies, the problem solving is related to this area only. Okay, right, right. We use the coding platforms like HackerRank, Coding Ninjas, Lead Code, and GFG. Okay, and then problem statement. So this is the way how I teach. Okay. So first I will give you the program statements, then I'll wait for 3 minutes to ask to solve you. I will ask you guys to solve. Then I will explain the code in Java. Then I'll explain the code in Python. Okay. That's how my teaching will go on. Okay. So these are the some companies which we can target after the part of this course. Okay. Healthcare domain, banking domain. Okay. Traveling based, fintech, payments, likewise. Okay. And I gave some small introduction system design also. Okay. And fee is 3K and 1 hour daily, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST, 1 month duration, almost 1 month, 30 classes I will take. Okay. Around 30 classes I will take. Okay. And yeah, these are the institute numbers. Shivani, is that clear, Shivani? And guys, I think most of you have, I think some of you asked about last class, right? Some doubts. So you can ping me, okay, on WhatsApp to this number. Okay. Take this number. Okay. So that I can share the notes and syllabus sheet also. Okay. Okay. This is the actual sheet, okay, which I have a 150 programs I already gathered and which we are going to teach as part of this course, okay, right? Guys, I will share on the WhatsApp, guys, okay? If you want, you can ping me, okay? Right. Because I can't share in the chat box the same Excel sheet, right? I can forward you once you ping on the WhatsApp, okay? I think some of you already ping, yeah. Okay, guys, let's move. Shivani, any more doubts? Yeah, you can see here, yeah, Shivani. Take a picture, take a screenshot, yeah. Yeah, you can ping me over there, okay? Right. Okay. And these are the institute numbers. You can make a payment. Okay. These are the institute number, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So let us move to the programs, right? Guys, are you able to hear me properly? Yes. Okay. Thanks, Surya. Thanks for the confirmation. Right. Yeah. In the last class, we have seen the programs on if else, right? And now the programs on, we'll see on programs on if else if. Okay. Right. Ah, see, guys. Now I want, if the grade is above 90. Okay, that should be a grade. Okay, the output should be a grade. If the grade is, come on, above, so greater than or equal to 90, guys. Okay, 80 B grade, 70 C grade, D grade. Okay, and less than or equal to 59, na, it is fail. Okay, guys, can you write a program for a while in 2 to 3 minutes? Come on, take 2 to 3 minutes of time and write that. One more minute, guys. Come on. Okay, so let us see here. Yes, it's easy one, why people are struggling to get that. Right. See here, guys. What is there, guys? There. See, if int. So let us take graded int only. Okay, around 88. Let us take that way. Come on. If grade greater than or equal to 90. Come on. Sys out. Grade is A. Right. Come on. Else if guys, if this if condition is success now, then it will execute. Else it will go for the down block. Okay. In which the block is there down, no, that block will be executed. Okay. Else if grade greater than or equal to 80 and less than or equal to 18, that is not required, guys. Okay, it is optional. Okay, grade is B. Else fail, guys. Guys, is the program is clear? Any doubts? Yes, any doubts? Speak up. Surprakash, Subramaniam. Any doubts, guys? Shivani? Run the code. See, the grade is B. Okay.
Sunil, I have one question. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so I want to understand over here. Are you teaching the to what kind of the logic should be built, or are you telling that are you under teaching the syntax?
No, no. I think if you were there in the class one, right? I told you, like, we are trying to focus around 150 programs, right? That's what I said in the
No, no,
class one.
that
See,
is fine. That is fine. The 150 program of concept, what the logic behind the 150 program we are trying to deal with that, right? That would be in
yeah,
any programming language. It would be Java or Python.
yeah.
Okay.
That's what I told you. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. So now, yeah, I have saw yesterday. I have not joined, but I have saw that recording. You were
Okay.
teaching static, non-static method. See, I am from Python background. Okay, so over here,
Okay.
I'm not going against any language. Only purpose that is that you can the logic would be the same, it can solve in any programming language. That would be
Yeah.
JavaScript or C sharp, right? It doesn't matter. The logic would be the same, right? Only the syntax changes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right
No,
now, if we
actually,
will write same program in Python, then number of lines of code would be the less, right? But
yes, yes,
logic
yes.
would be the same.
See, actually,
Only
what happened
syntax is going
yesterday?
to change.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yesterday, I have asked people, okay, is there any Python developer like me? They have asked, okay, and no one
Hmm.
said yes. So that's why I continued in Java yesterday. Okay, that is the reason. Okay.
No, no, no. I don't know. But I didn't join yesterday. So, but I
Okay.
saw the recording, and today
Okay.
I saw this. You were teaching static,
So
so that's
what
why.
was your doubt?
I'm.
No, no, no. Okay, okay. I was teaching static and now that's what you are asking. Okay. See, I thought like, as part of the method calling, I should be teaching, how to call a static method, how to call a non-static method in Java. Okay. Right. So if you were there yesterday, I would be teaching how to call a method in Python as well. Okay. Right. Okay. Let me teach that. Suppose in Python, you will declare with def keyword. Okay. Right. So say greet method called greet morning. Right. So yeah, it's a starting class now. How can I, go beyond? That's why I have taught that way. See, print, say, print. You see, this is the way you declare a method in Python. Okay, okay. Is that okay, Surya Prakash?
Yeah, yes. Sunil, let me complete. It
Mhm.
doesn't matter. I know Python. The only point is that I insist you that you should, while you are going for it's basic, it's fine, means how to declare the, because you have to solve the problem into languages, right? But only the
Sure.
my concern is that you just focus, my purposely that focus on the logic, how on the syntax we can manage, means it would be in any only logic remain the same, because in interviews also it doesn't matter, you solve in any programming language, only they see the how you are building your logic behind that problem statement.
Yeah. See, the problem is in the first few classes, I was supposed to teach this basic syntax. Okay, because in
Yeah,
the first
yeah, yeah, yeah,
classes,
that is fine, that is fine, that is okay. Just
that's
I
why I
thought that are you going for Java then, because in Python you know that there is no static non-static method, I am with that,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
so that's why.
See, actually, my plan is I used to teach the same concept in Java, then Python. Okay. But yesterday, the
Okay.
people are not there. And if you remember in the starting of the class, I have asked anyone is there from Python background, something like that. Okay. So that's why no one said yes. Okay. Then I started moving on Java today on. Okay. No, is it okay?
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
See,
Thank you.
it's not
You
like the
can.
entire course or something like syntax or the concepts. Okay, that is the problem is first few classes I should be supposed to teach at least some basic programs, some syntax. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay,
Yeah,
so that people
yeah,
can.
yeah, fine, 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 fine. Thank you.
And in Python, you
Yeah.
should call the method before the declaration. Okay, right. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So in Python, the body should be declared first, then the call should be happen. Okay. Otherwise, it's a compile time error. Okay. Like in Java, we can declare, from anywhere. Okay. First we can declare, we can call, then we can declare. But in Python, it is not the same. Okay. First you should declare the method, then you should call. Okay. This is the line 6 is nothing but method call. Okay. And line this 3 and 4 is nothing but method body. Okay. Clear? Guys, is that okay? Surya Prakash. So
Yes,
in
yes, yes,
Python,
it's fine.
there is no concept of there is no need to understand static and non-static, okay, for problem solving. Okay. But in Java, you should understand how to call a static method and how to call a non-static method. But in Python, it is enough. Okay. So here, if you want to pass some input now, you can pass some inputs like 100, 200, likewise. And you need to capture here. Okay. X comma Y. Okay. That's it. And you can use the same variable by using comma operator. Here, the concatenation operator is comma. Okay. So here there won't be any braces, guys. Okay, in Python, just you need to write this way. Okay, good evening. Why? Okay. This is about the method declaration and method calling in Python also. Guys, are you okay here? Anyone from Python background apart from Surya Prakash? Right, let us run the program. This is PyCharm ID, guys. Okay, this is PyCharm ID. Okay. Right. Guys, are you okay with this? Let us write the same code in Python too. Guys, I'll share the notes, guys. Okay. So I'll create one common platform on WhatsApp and I will share all the notes over there. Okay. So I hope people, whoever not ping, so please ping me. Okay, today. Okay. Surya Prakash, as a Python developer, can you please tell me how to call else if in Python? What is the keyword for Python in else if?
Elif.
Elif. Okay, that's it. Okay. So simply we will do that. Okay. We'll write the code in Python too now. Okay. See x equal to 77. Right. See if and there won't be you can write directly condition. Okay. If x you can take it as a grade. Okay. If grade greater than or equal to 90. See colon guys. Use colon. Okay. Print congrats a grade. Congrats you got a grade. Here it is elif guys. Okay. Elif grade greater than or equal to 80. Print B grade. Congrats, you got a B grade. Grade. Shivani, are you okay today? The class this was the might be the class one for you, right? Are you okay? Are you able to follow my teaching? Thank you, Shivani. You got C grade, right? Let me copy this. And else fail, guys. Okay, that's it. Guys, in Python, it is very mandatory to follow the indentation error. Okay, indentation. Okay, very mandatory, guys. Okay, use enter and tabs. Don't go with back, up, left, right, like that. Okay, whatever you want. It won't work here. Okay, sorry, you failed. Okay, congrats, you got a C grade. Ah, guys, yesterday I told you the dynamic way of reading the input at the runtime. Can someone tell me how to do in Java and how to do in Python? Okay, Java guys ping in Java how to do the dynamic input or the how to read the input at the runtime. Okay, in the Java and Python also. Guys, can you please ping me in the chat box? I want to see how much knowledge you have in the syntax level, the function level. Yeah, guys, you can see some messages from the institute. Yeah, you can for the payment and all you can do the proceedings. Okay, yeah, input function. Hmm, very good. Surya Prakash, if it is input function, will it read Is that enough?
We have to
Is that,
typecast that because input takes as a string as a by default. So we have to typecast the input function. We have to do int input and
yeah,
please enter the marks number or grade number, whatever you can say.
yeah. So the thing is, till Python 2, okay, the whatever the type, suppose in the from the input box, if you enter as an integer value, no, it will be taken as integer value. Even the input function will be acting for multi-purpose. You can enter a input value, float value, string value like that. Okay, based on the input, the grade will that type of the grade will be varied. Okay, but from Python 3, the input function is strictly reading string value only. Okay, so apart from in string, you want some other value, you need to typecast. Okay, right? Is enter the grade. So Surya Prakash, is that okay?
Yeah, fine, fine.
Right. That's how you can give random inputs now. Okay, see 88 B grade, 90 B grade, A grade, like that. Okay. Now for Java, no, you need to use scanner class, guys, and buffer reader. Okay, you can use either scanner class or buffer reader. Okay, right. So instead of like this, don't hard code, guys. Hard coding is a very bad practice in any language. Okay, integrate equal to, come on, can dot next int. Okay, right. Or you can go with what, guys? Buffer reader. Okay, that also I told you yesterday, guys. Now my requirement is I need to integrate with attendance, guys. Okay, suppose even if the guy grade is above 80, 90, I don't mind. If the attendance is less than 75, the guy is not able to write the exam. Okay, if attendance is greater than 75, then only you need to print the grade. Okay, guys, the requirement is now slightly twisted. Okay, see, if attendance is less than 75, you should say, sorry, you are not eligible to write the exam. Okay, if attendance greater than 75, then only you should print congrats grade. Okay. Okay. Guys, you got the point, right? Can you please complete this code in 2 to 3 minutes? Quick, guys, come on. Now I come up with a requirement called attendance. If attendance less than 75, he is not at all eligible to write the exam. Greater than 75 only, then only you need to print the grades. Come on, guys, tell me. Simple logic, very small logic here. It's very cold here, guys. In Chennai, I'm in Chennai right now. Guys, today would be the last demo class, guys. Okay. Okay, so from tomorrow the batch is finalized and we'll teach accordingly, guys. Okay, right. And still you have doubts, any? Please ping me. Okay. Yeah, today. Just don't take much time, guys. Okay, 7:44 you should complete the code. Okay, 7:44 by 7:44. It's 1 more minute, guys. Is it that difficult, Surya Prakash? Is it that difficult, Surya Prakash? And Surya,
No, sir.
Shivani, guys,
No, Sunil.
no,
It's
right?
the, means actually I have joined the class from my mobile, so I
Oh,
don't
okay,
have.
okay. I got okay, okay, okay.
So, but
Okay,
is the same process. Just declare the variable as a input function, typecast that, give at a if else statement, and complete terminate that. Run the
okay,
program.
okay. Let's write the code, guys. Okay. See, guys, it is that simple. Just if to write independence. Simple. Okay, just to copy the entire logic into else block, guys. Okay. Guys, is that okay? See, if the grade is less than 75, you should say, sorry, you are not eligible to write the exam. Okay. Sorry, you are not eligible to write exam. If it is greater than 75 minutes, it will come to else block. Okay, here you can place the total logic. Is that okay, Surya Prakash? No issue, no issue, guys, no issue. Yeah, if is in that case, you should ping me in the chat box. Then how can I understand, guys, if you're joining from phone or laptop? No problem. But make sure if you're in the home now, please try to join with laptop. Okay, right. Let's go for the code in Python too. Come on, attendance. And guys, Surya Prakash, okay, don't worry that I'll teach syntax. No, no, no. These are the starting classes. That's why I prefer teaching syntaxes, okay? But once the class are on the full speed, no, I won't prefer teaching any syntaxes here, okay? So I thought of telling yesterday static and non-static method calling likewise. So that's why I thought yesterday, okay?
Oh,
Okay. Else, you keep the entire logic in the else block, guys, okay? Else colon, see, what do you need to do? Come on. Entire logic in the else. Surya, for you, this Python code, okay? That's it.
yeah.
Okay. See, just it. That's it, guys. Okay. Is that easy or not, guys? See how easy it is. Just a simple twist of the logic. Am I correct? Guys, some of you might be already comfortable with the condition schedule, but please be patient. Okay. So, yeah, in the future class, we'll definitely deal with the tough programs. Okay. See, first one is grade 99, but attendance is 60. See, is he able to write the exam or not? No. Okay. Second one is grade 75, attendance 88. See, congrats, you got a C grade. Okay. Right. Guys, don't worry, guys. I'll share the notes, okay, today with you guys. Notes and Excel sheet also I'll share, okay. three. Okay. First three class notes I will share today. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Any doubts guys so far? Come on. Any doubts so far? Surya, any doubts?
no, Sunil. Oh, no, no.
Okay. 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 Then now we have seen programs on if else if ladder. Okay. See, if is done, if else is done, and if else if or if else if ladder, something like that. Okay, that is also done. The only program is nested if is the pending case. Nested if is the pending one. Okay, this is something like writing inside if case. Okay, that means what? uh, Suppose let us take a game of cricket, right? Okay, if I want to selection criteria, no, selection criteria, he should have a average score of greater than around 40. Okay, and there is something newly introduced now. What's that? Yo-yo score, right? It should be greater than 80. Okay, for the fitness. Okay, right? It's for fitness, it's for gameplay. Okay, now you should tell if you should be telling like if average is less than 40, you should sprint. Sorry, your average is less than 40, you're not eligible to play the cricket. Even if the average is greater than 40, if the yo-yo is less than 80, no, you need to tell again, okay, sorry, the yo-yo score is less than 80, you are not able to play the game because of the fitness. Likewise, you should mention. Okay, now for that the code is see int average score int yo-yo score. Now see, if average score less than 40, the average score less than, sorry, you need to write like this. If it is greater than 40, and inside if there is something again if else guys. Okay, uh, if yo-yo score greater than 80. Okay, now you should write somewhere. This out. Congrats, you are able. Congrats, you are selected for the game. Else, suppose I want to mention. Okay, else see here how I am writing this out. Okay, your average score is okay. Average score is okay, but yo-yo score is not sufficient. Okay, you should write like that, guys. If suppose if the average score itself only less than 40, no, you should write in the else block here. Sorry, the average score itself is failing. Guys, did you understand how the else nested if else will work? Right. Guys, tomorrow we'll see about the pattern programs, guys. Okay, on the loops. Okay, the patterns. I think I will try to solve 8 to 10 pattern examples. Okay, on the loops. Okay, iteration statements. Tomorrow we'll start this. So today we'll be completing. We have completed conditional statements on all 4 types. Okay, guys, any doubts in this program? Anyone? Yeah, that's what. You just ping me hi on WhatsApp. Okay, guys. I will, I will, I will add a group. Okay, to the same number. Okay, this number only. Ping me on hi on WhatsApp. I will add you to the group. Okay, that's why I was asking you guys. Okay, right. Okay, Shivani. Okay, guys. So I will be sharing today. I will be sharing the first 3 classes notes and Excel sheet also. I will be sharing in the group. Okay. Okay. Or else if you ping me, I will share that directly with you. Okay, guys. Okay. Any doubts, guys, in today class? Yeah. Just take this number and ping me. Don't forget. Okay. I will be sharing with you. Okay. And I will share in the group only. This notes as okay. Right. Okay. Surya Prakash, do you want any more? You have any more doubts, Surya?
No, 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 Sunil, not much. Only my concern is that um, nothing. Just we now the it's a basics we are going on right now. So you have everyone should be on the same page. So that is fine for me right now.
Mm-mm. See, don't worry. Related to problem solving, I will give enough. Okay. If you have further more doubts, please call me on my number. Okay. Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because in class I can't discuss. I can't speak everything. Right. Because it's very limited time. So if so, please ping me on WhatsApp or call me on my number. Okay. I will be responding. Okay. Right. That's
Okay.
why I gave your number. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So we have 3 more minutes, but I don't want to start any new topic today. Tomorrow we'll explain patterns on loops, okay? And prime number, Armstrong number, palindrome. Likewise, we'll try to cover all the standard questions, okay? Right? Before going for online platforms, we need to cover all the standard basic questions, okay? Right?
Okay, okay. So thank you.
Okay, then, guys.
Thanks.
Bye bye. Take care, guys.